Hello people, welcome back to my channel. I am Pikku Jain and it would mean a lot to me if you spare a second and subscribe to my channel below. Now that's have been said, then today's video is not about any home remedy. It's about Nykaa haul. So the Nykaa haul I wanted to share with you because the products which I ordered is more sort of like my skincare products which I use in daily basis. So I just thought that it would help you people. So I am just wanted to share this all with you people, and you will also have a clear idea that what kind of products I use. So now let's not talk a lot and let's get into the video. So now whatever products I'm gonna show you people, the link will be in the description box of that product, and like I purchased all these products when the sale was going on the Nykaa, then the rate might little fluctuate, but yeah. So before starting the haul, I just wanted to drop a disclaimer that I'm not showing off or anything. It's just that it would help the people who has similar kind of skin type which I have, so they'll have the clear idea that what kind of product we can use. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say, and now let's get into the video. So the first product which I'm gonna show you people is my absolute favorite product, and that is Face Shop sheet mask. I am in love with this sheet mask and they smells divine, okay, and it's very relaxing to use them. So I just ordered these, and these are like each one costed me like 100. I'll link the product links in the description box, so if you need then go check my The second one is Biotique Bioseed Eye Gel. Now I don't really have so much of dark circles, but when I don't fall asleep now, like dark circles could come to me this quick. I mean very quick. So I just don't take a chance and I use this Biotique Seaweed Eye Gel. Now I also used the other one. Now I forgot the name, but it was from the Biotique only. Biotique has only two kind of eye gels, so that was in the form of cream, but that didn't really suited me well, so I love only this. Still now so far I just loved only this eye cream and none other. I also used Plum ka eye cream, but I just don't liked it. I didn't like it at all. So yeah, till now I am stick with this eye cream. If you people have any suggestions for eye cream or eye gel, just mention in the comment box. So yeah, this product is from the Plum. Yeah, this is this face mask. Now I just love using face mask. I don't know why, and I love mostly the clay based face mask. I don't know why I love them so much. But yeah, I feel they do much better job than the any other face mask, and they are like, the texture is so creamy. I don't know why, and the smell, oh my god, I'm in love with the smell. So I just love Plum ka face mask. I also use the green tea version of it. Yeah, I love them both equally. This is also from the Plum only, and that is this Plum ka toner. Now I'm not toner kind of person, but when I started using green tea ka Plum wala toner, I am in love with toner. It just changed whole skincare game of mine. Now I used to have open pores, so many open pores here. So then I started using this toner. Now I don't know how far it is true that toner minimizes the pores and also tightens the pores. So just I gave a shot to this toner and it does the job really well. Next one is also my absolute favorite just because of its smell. I mean, I am in love with the smell. Now you are probably gonna listen this a lot of time in this video. I don't know why. I just love the smell. So this is this Nivea ka Rose body lotion. Oh my god, this smells divine. I just love using this. Actually, I love the whole Nivea's body lotions, but this new range which they launched just now, I just love this range. I mean, it has we have different kind of smells in this, like I feel we have lavender also and the chamomile also. I feel, I'm not sure. So yeah, and it's super hydrating as well. I use this twice in the day. Next, these products are my like absolute favorite. Actually, I wanted to buy the whole set of it, but my bad luck that it was always going on out of stock, so I got on hands on this 2 babies. Like, I wanted all the 6 version of it, but I got only 2 versions. But yeah, especially the mocha mix in this, I just love. And by the way, this is from NK Makeup, and it is also known as Nikake Beauty, and it is the version Poison Apple. Now I'll also show the swatches of it. And the second one is same from Nikake Beauty, and the name is Sugar Plum. I mean, I don't know how far the camera catches it, but they are so beautiful. And the last product is gift by Nykaa to me. I was having my birthday on 27th of October, so they just gifted me this, and I have used it once. So that video is also gonna come very fast. Yeah, where I am showing like how to do basic cleanup at home, face cleanup. So where I used this one. This is basically a charcoal based peel off mask, and the consistency is like, it's like gel based. Yeah, it also has a little bit of glitter into it. I don't know, I am so very inclined towards the cute things now. Sorry guys. So now I will show you the swatches of Poison Apple. The name is also so cute, na? Poison Apple. And I don't know like so far how the camera is catching. See, I mean, this is magic. You can see how pigmented the eyeshadows are. This is the golden one. I mean, they are super pigmented. And they are very cheap though. They are just like on sale. I mentioned before that on sale I purchased this, so I got this in 300 rupees. So yeah, they are very affordable, yet they are so very pigmented. I mean, I love the pigment. This is this shade, the glitter one. This is magic, guys. You have to try this. Look at the pigment. Now I know I'm not doing a great job at swatching because this is my first haul. So eventually I will learn. Yeah. So I highly recommend you people, if you are like beginners in makeup like me. I barely do makeup, but I love these eyeshadow palettes, and it has 6 variation I guess in this. So the 2 variation are with me, and rest of the 4 are always out of stock. I don't know when I'll get the hand on them. So yeah, this is it for the videos, guys. Now let me know in the comment section if you want me to do more haul videos and eye look or makeup look using these palettes are coming really soon. And now you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet into the next video, and until that, Bye bye.